Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? I'm back with another video, and today we are back talking about NFTs. All right, now I told y'all how to make a collection. I explained to y'all what they are. I showed y'all where I'm sort of learning more, and now what I'm about to do is actually start throwing y'all lobs, right, and kind of showing y'all projects that I think deserve some attention and that I think are worth investing in. All right, so let's jump right into it. All right, so this project is called APE Traders. All right, and from what I've seen just doing my research, bro, they already have a decent amount of hype right now. That's gonna go up as it approaches time for this project to drop, but we're gonna go over their website. We're gonna show y'all what this project is about, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I think this is something that you should invest in. All right, so Ape Traders is a collection of 7,777 random generated apes living on the Ethereum blockchain. For all my people who are not hip, T's are sort of solidified through the Ethereum blockchain. That's how they're kind of authenticated, so think of it like that. Each ape is completely unique and grants you access to the jungle, where you'll get weekly reports on upcoming NFT projects that we think can take off. Okay, so let me stop right there and add some education in there for my people who might not just be hip to what that even means. So if you still think that an NFT is just a worthless image, then you still got a lot of learning to do, and I have videos explaining that. But basically from what we're getting now, this NFT sort of grants you access to what seems to be a community, a world, which once again, what NFTs are all about. It's basically granting you access to this world. All right, so by the name Ape Traders, this project, the roadmap is centered around people who are looking to invest in NFTs, right? So as an Ape Trader, you'll also have access to the temple and an exclusive Discord channel to interact with other like-minded traders and stay updated on all things NFT. All right, so let's talk about some ownership perks. All right, and before we move on, I just want to highlight that this is obviously going to be some sort of inside information, some valuable information that you only get access to if you hold an Ape Trader. All right, so I guess how it works is their site basically checks your wallet before allowing you access. And for those of you who aren't hip, when you're dealing with NFTs, you're dealing with crypto ultimately, and so you have to sort of have your crypto wallet signed in and linked in to basically be legitimized. All right, so let's talk about some ownership perks. All right, the jungle. All right, the jungle will open up to Ape Traders once pre-sale is complete. It provides holders with access to weekly reports outlining the hottest upcoming NFT projects before they mint, giving you the opportunity to get in on these NFTs on the ground floor. Let me tell you why that's huge and important. You'll see an NFT and it'll come in at like 0.00 whatever Ethereum, and I'm just gonna talk in US dollars because I'm still talking to beginners. So we'll say about $250 worth of Ethereum it'll come in at on the ground floor, and then you look up 2 days later and it's 0.7, or it's gone up to 1 Ethereum or whatever. And that's basically happening just like the resale market in sneakers, supply and demand. Once early people, like hopefully you can get in on something like this, then the hype starts coming, then people start seeing the value, and then people want to buy into this project. So if you're just honestly interested in flipping this NFT and not actually becoming a part of that world or community, there's still some money to be made. So despite the name, it's actually a great place for navigating the NFT world. Think of it as a jungle separating the few from the many. Okay, a members only space for the most successful NFT collectors. These sort of, I don't want to call it a secret society, but you know what I'm saying, like just in crowd of NFT trading, right? So I'm already interested in this. I think it's worth a shot as far as me putting my money into it. Instead of spending hours on Twitter reading articles and sifting blindly through hundreds of products, you can let the Ape Traders team do all the work, right? So these are people doing all of that for you. The people behind Ape Traders have been trading NFTs since the beginning, and so they know what to look for. All right, now let's talk about the temple. The temple is the meeting place of the apes. All right, in this exclusive holder-only Discord, wise and young collectors can come together and discuss what's hype and what's hot and what's hype, share their NFT research, and ape projects with the greatest potential. There will be daily updates of interesting projects that are minting. NFT experts will also stop in from time to time to share their knowledge with the community. All right, so that basically just once again further ingrains you into that world, into that community. All right, now here's where it gets good. Exclusive whitelist partnerships. All right, the Ape Traders basically have big plans to secure exclusive whitelist partnerships with upcoming NFT projects, right? And by the way, if you're watching this video, Ape Trader holders will have the opportunity to be whitelisted on projects before anyone else. This will allow you to get in early before projects sell out, meaning more Ethereum in your wallet, more money in your pocket. All right. Now, for my viewers, Ape Traders is gonna allow some whitelist slots for their projects, so make sure you tap in with the links in the description to go ahead and sign up. All right. So Ape Traders have been roaming the jungle for years. This is sort of a backstory, lurking on OpenSea and Discord with nothing to show for it. Now, the wisest apes have organized themselves, preparing to get crypto rich with NFTs, right? So here's a gallery, right? Remember when I showed you, if you watched me since I've tried to show how to create NFTs, then you've seen this is just a random assortment, different elements of stuff like that, right? So I'm not gonna lie, as a graphic designer myself, I'm gonna rate this design 10 out of 10. This is a pretty good design. I want this one right here with the gold chain. That's the one I want right there, just because it's the hardest. So let's talk about the roadmap. If you watch one of my videos, then you know that the roadmap, just the whole point behind it, is what makes or breaks the NFT, almost more so than the artwork itself. All right, so this roadmap is strictly for investors and stuff like that. So at 0% ownership and commercial use is granted to owners, right? Access to the jungle and temple is instant. All right, 25%, 100 early mentors will get their Ape Trader mint fees refunded as a thank you for their initial support for the project. That's huge. 50% Ape Traders are listed on Rarity Tools. Ape Traders, 100% Ape Traders are verified on OpenSea, which is huge once again. All right. So post-sale plans, after every Ape Trader has sold out, we're gonna step on the gas. Our roadmap will be ever evolving, just like apes, and focus on solely creating value, not marketing gimmicks. All right. Besides the jungle and temple, the community will decide where we go from here. Possible ideas include airdrops for holders, additional assets covered in our community by experts such as altcoins and stocks, and exclusive merch only available to holders. The sky really is the limit. That's a fact, bro. All right, so here's another way to tell if an NFT, just if it's something that you want to kind of, invest in, is look, right now, organically, it looks like to about 2,200 followers on Twitter. That's pretty dope, bro. That lets me know that they're 100. They also got a bunch of giveaways going on the Twitter, it looks like. You also can look around in their Discord, right? So I'm in their Discord right now, looking at the announcements, stuff like that. And I'm gonna also have a link for you to join their Discord. As you see, they got a nice giveaway going right now. Which, how do I get into this? Okay, cool. I'm already in. I'm gonna tag three friends. Yeah, I'm definitely getting in this because I want one of these, but I wonder if I can pick the one I want, but that's neither here nor there. So then check out on OpenSea. Right now they just have these loaded into OpenSea. This is basically pre-mint, but this is definitely a project that I'm personally gonna invest in, simply because number one, I want more NFT information, and number two, hey, my plans with NFTs isn't never really short term. It's long term, bro. I'm telling you, I'm one of them people who missed out on Bitcoin in the beginning, so I'm not letting that happen to myself again. And I'm also have a link where you can go join, stay updated on this project, all right? And let them know that you came. Let them know that, hey, my boy Rico put me on this project, all right? And there's a chance that you can get whitelisted, which means basically put on a pre-order list so that you can get one of these before they sell out. So thank everybody out there for listening. Love everybody out there. Let's get it. Happy Thanksgiving, man. Let's get it.